Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to make the video as keyword research. How to planning the keyword, how to make the research. Okay, this is very important stuff. Okay, so when you if you are planning to make the website as a health, okay, so you have to make the website as health. Okay, this is a very good concept. So before you have to make the website, you have to go to the Google Trend and you have to search it how the health is working. You have to go to Google Trend and search it. Okay, the Google Trend, you have to make the topic whether the topic is trending or not. The trending topic, the health is always a trending topic because everyone searching for their health, about how to lose their weight. This is very trending topic. Okay, the weight loss, this is very trending topic. Okay, this topic is every day is there because this is a trending topic. Everyone going to lose their weight, so we have to put it as keyword worldwide. You can see here this is here some other, here it's dropping. This is this one. Now I am going to, it is day by day it is increasing, that keyword here, that is increasing. Now the trending is increasing day by day. Okay, so how to do the thing is, so here simply you have to go to search on Google how to get the idea. Weight loss, it is known as a short tail keyword, that word which include only three words. It's called as short tail keyword, only three words. You can see another one is a weight loss. You can say weight loss shift. It is known as a short tail. The word which is beyond 4, it is beyond 4. Okay, so it is more than 4, it is as a long tail keyword. So this weight loss tips, it is a short tail keyword. This is short tail keyword. This is called as a short tail keyword. These are the called as, this is known as short tail keyword. Now long tail keyword you can write here. You can write weight loss. Here you can see we have to add more than 3 words here. Weight loss at home. This is known as long tail keyword. Okay, weight loss at home. Okay, this is how we have to find the long tail here at home. Here there are many words are there. If you are search for a long tail keywords, here you can see here. These are the things. This is you have to consider. These are the things. Okay, if you are, what is the keyword you are writing? This keyword, if you are writing more than 3, what happened? You can see. These are the things they are searching. People are used to search weight loss home for people, weight loss home in Hindi. These are the things lot of people are searching here. Weight loss at night. Because weight loss at night, why are people searching like that? Everyone busy. Night time only the people are free. So they are searching the nighttime activities, how to reduce their weight and loss. So they are maintaining their, in order to maintain their weight loss. So they are, what is the exercise we are going to make at night. So these are the things they are searching. Okay, weight loss at gym. So let's search this to, in order to get the help of Google keyword tag. I'm going to Google keyword tag. This is the best tool for we are finding the keyword research part without paying anything. Okay, this is completely free, brought by Google. This is completely free. Okay, so if you have to go through the paid one, you can go along with HRF or HRF, any other paid tool, but this is completely free. I'm going to go to here. You have to put the weight loss. You type weight loss, get the result. Here you can see the weight loss here. Weight loss, the how many people among the averages in between this to this range people are searching, but the competition should be high. Okay, the competition is high mean we have to consider about the competition. Why we are consider about the competition mean this keyword, there are many competitors are target on this keyword. Okay, you have a high competition. Mean there are many competitors are targeting on this keyword, weight loss. Everyone target on this, so that competition will be high. So you can, when you're writing the articles and when you're writing the articles, so you can there are many students are telling that we are going to get them as a low competition keyword. Low competition keyword means the competition is low, so you can get and write it and it's easily rank. But high competition is not that much of hard, so you have to make the content, you have to write the good article, you will be easily rank this one. Okay, so this is here monthly search is very good search, this keyword weight loss. So after these are the things you are not getting. Okay, this is not a relevant topic for that. Okay, weight loss program, this program here, it's low keyword. Okay, you can get that. Okay, so instead of that, simply we have to get the keyword planner weight loss. You can see if you type weight loss here, you can go to this one. Here is every keyword how the people are searching, you can gain everything. So, okay, otherwise you can get here. Okay, weight loss tips, everything. Just copy this, copy and put into keyword planner 2. Okay, weight loss is our first one, presenting. Okay, so now you can get the plan. Now you can here weight loss diet. So these are the medium, you will be able here, this is the high one. So the here it is ranking here. Okay, it is increasing day by day. How to lose the weight fast naturally. And okay, so this is the increasing keyword, the weight loss. So here you can get the idea of that. Okay, when you searching the keyword research, you have to first you have to consider about the long tail keyword. The short tail keyword mean everyone can search that keyword. So long tail keyword, you focus on the long tail keyword, you can easily rank it. So if you write it here, the weight loss at home, these are the keyword. You can put it here, how the search engine people are searching. Okay, weight loss. This is all things are your focus on the long tail keyword. This long tail keyword, I just put it instead of this. The results should be different, but you can get the idea this keyword how much people are searching. Here you will be able to see here the 7-day weight loss. Here this is the these are the in between 10 to 100k monthly searches are there. Okay, this is a high competition keyword. So here you can get it this one. You can put it to the articles here. These are the all things are your long tail keyword. Okay, so when I'm writing my blog, I'm usually put this long tail keyword to rank my websites. Here these are the keywords. Okay, it is simple way. You have to go through that Google and type how the search engine works. Okay, these are the people are searching. Okay, the search things you just put into the Google keyword planner, you will be able to get the monthly search average of this kind of search. You can get the plan. Okay, then you can what is your blog niche, you can decide at which keyword is the appropriate one, you can include your blog. Okay, every keyword you don't need to include that, but you just ignore it. Okay, weight loss snakes, this one is not related to our blog, so you have to go through that one. Weight loss shakers for women. Okay, so here this one. Oh, this one, lot of women are the men's, then women are searching this one, so that weight loss women, so that keywords are high. You can go to this is here low competition keyword, how to lose really fat in big. Okay, these are the good keywords. So you have to go and research the keyword research, that is good. So if you are not get only there are many students are getting like this one, they are searching this one and putting to the article, go to the keyword planner and writing the articles, which is the low competition keyword, and write. Don't do like this. You can first you have to go and first you can check how the people are searching. These are all the things you have to put into the Google keyword planner and get the idea, and you have to monthly volume, what are the searches are there, or it is a competition, and everything you are considered before you are writing the articles. Okay, so again we have to consider about the long tail keyword. Okay, what are the things I did, tips I gave to you. You have to keep on following the tips, and you will be easily rank your website in Google first page. Thank you for watching.